You ready, youth?
Yeah. I feel excited.
You feel excited?
Yeah.
You're not nervous?
No.
Okay. You're not ready yet? Eh?
It's been crazy.
So all this have been in the car?
Yep.
What time now? It's now minutes to 2 in the morning. You know? Yeah, about 1:40 right now. I'll call a cab shortly. You know? First time traveling with the kids. How you feel about your first trip?
I'm excited to see Grandpa and see everybody.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Finally get to see Grandpa, though. Yeah. We call a taxi just now. So I wait for we'll pick up. Taxi driver said I'm coming about 15 minutes time. Yeah, I go and beat some of the national dish, yeah. You see me? Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
Yep. Come out the road, Jaden, please. Come out the road.
Come, baby. Come this way, please. What did you say? Let's go?
Let's go!
Let's go!
We got the park there.
Bye-bye!
Bye!
Bye-bye!
The struggle is real having all them luggage out of the pit of them. Hey. Hold them on, Jay, please. Thank you.
No road.
Alright. Jaden, she's calling you. Yes. Seems like we're all set. Seems like everything's good with our documents. You know, so we're getting checked in now for the flight. Yeah, you feel, Jaden? Worried?
Why would I be worried?
I don't know, we don't know. Maybe afraid of the airplane or something, I don't know. Yeah. Kyrie, you ready?
Ready.
You're ready, yeah? Alright. Wow. Finally on the airplane now. Yeah. Jaden? Yeah!
Good morning, customer. Hi. On behalf of the working here in Kingston, thank you for the flight to New York.
Yeah, the flight relatively empty. I don't even think this is half full, not true? You know? Hey. What? This? Yes. Yeah, it's loud. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, man, so we'll have to New York first. That's our first stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be, huh? You and Kyrie, you can drink too. Yeah, so we'll be in New York for a few days.
Yeah.
And then we'll go down to Boston side, you know?
Dad, you said you would have missed the flight.
Did I?
You want juice? You can drink it. You can drink juice.
What time now? It's now 4:49. The flight was scheduled to depart at 5:05, right? 5:05 departure time.
You're running.
Yeah, so we're on time.
Running.
Yes, baby.
But they're excited. They're moving now. Oh my God. see that green? You see that green?
Carrie doesn't realize what's happening.
Carrie don't know what a clock a strike.
Yeah.
The Wi-Fi not working.
How you know you're leaving?
Bye.
When you feel it a drive?
Yeah, if you
Bye.
Yes. I carry too smart. Yeah. Yes. Yes, pretty light, right? What color is that, Carrie? God knows. Oh God. Wow.
You can touch yours to Carrie. You can touch yours too. Look. Will you touch it?
Always put your finger like this when you're touching something.
It's the clouds. That's the clouds out there. So guys, we're in a foreign here now, you know? Is it? Clan around our back. See auntie here. Auntie come pick you up, you see me? Your sister Shanika. You must remember her still. For those person who watch the channel for a while, you know? So she actually migrated. How long are you there for?
Not too long.
Not too long. And I push down big whip. Yeah, you know, so Jay, tell me how you feel,
I feel excited.
You feel excited? Kyrie say I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Him literally saying I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Oh God.
And him
So,
don't want
when you
milk.
don't make nothing for him, he don't want milk.
He
want
refuse
food.
it. Yeah, look so.
He want something to eat.
Yeah, you with the fries.
Or baby,
Yeah,
they're on
I
the
have no
flight
idea.
for long. How long it take? 3 hours?
3 hours, about 3.5 something.
And in there was minions. When
Ah.
I was very interested in the minions, but the minions, I put on the minions movie. Trust me, Kyrie's
Yeah.
and just watch.
I know, no sound, you know. You don't have no sound anymore. Watch it.
We never know, so could have watched them something.
Carrie realized him they're on the plane?
Just come with a JFK.
Yeah, but he was kind of freaking out to that.
At first?
Yeah.
You see how you play stay, girlie? So you see some could circle. Come on, I got you. I be sitting out there. You know how long me out there? Me not go home, me not change, me not bathe, me not nothing, straight from work. Drop my at school and come food now. Buy a little gas, buy one taste bud sandwich, I'm never wanted for hungry out here. And the man not done cook the meat good. So me have to throw it away because me that try eat it.
What
but
kind of sandwich that? The sandwich me
one
not cook
Burger
good?
King, yeah. Because me never want the breakfast, egg and sausage something. So
3.5 miles.
I buy this
Take
chicken
exit
sandwich at
50
Burger
onto
King.
New York Route
Okay.
27
gas
towards
station and
Sunrise
then-
Highway.
the meat not cook good.
Where so we are going now?
We did that head to Walmart.
Walmart, okay. Don't ask you like them say Walmart and they are New York or some
Walmart,
shit like
they're
that.
New York, it's in Queens and
In
in
Queens.
Long Island. We just don't have it in Brooklyn.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure if it's in a Bronx, but
Okay.
it's there Queens. It's 9 minutes away from it. We're pretty close. We were there the other day.
The place be cold, man.
Girl.
And then when
It's
them
cool.
It's not cold,
It's cool. It's not cool, but
It's cold. But them Kyrie's wetter.
It's
That's
not.
just
You know, some of them got carry
Don't
one
worry for
little
the
jeans
cooler that you
jacket.
say, you know.
But I got carry a little jeans jacket, you know.
Yeah, because,
Never
alright, down here so, the temperature is 16 degrees, a temperature what I experience on my father in a summertime. Like you see, all May, June, you experience them temperature. Then they get warm up in a July, August, it kind of warm up like, yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, when is this?
Girl, you would have managed it.
This not cold yet.
This is not. This is a nice day. Actually, this another jacket I wear go work last night. And this morning we go in at the house and change this, so I pick up my Leica. I wear one little short jacket last night because it was so warm when I go work 10:45 last night. And this morning I go put on this because I say I don't know.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, man. So we have spent a few days in New York, like a week or so, and then we my father will come pick me up, you know. Father come from.
Mr. Exit, Mr. Exit.
Yeah,
When him pass.
When him pass, yeah. Yeah, so.
Still in the airport?
No, we exited the airport just now.
We're heading to the highway. We're going on the Belt Parkway.
Keep right toward
Make sure
Rockaway
you not have on
Boulevard East.
seatbelts because
Yeah.
people them drive aggressive.
Yeah, man. So in a week or so, my father will come pick me up, and then we'll go back a film side, you know.
Yeah.
Massachusetts, Nantucket. Yeah, so.
We out there touristing.
You see it?
Hey.
Touristing. Sightseeing.
You see it?
Doing all those
Tourists.
things. Full on tourists.
Jaden, you're dropping a foreign boy. Eh?
And him like the cold.
They
Eh?
didn't like the call?
3/4 of a mile. Take a
Excited,
slight right
excited.
turn onto
Okay,
Farmers
cool.
Boulevard.
Immediately him step out of the airport, him say, I live here.
Oh, really?
And
Listen,
that the boy say,
any picnic I go want live here. Remember say when we watch TV, but we see.
that's true.
You understand?
That's true.
No, I want to live here because of the climate and yeah.
Climate?
Yeah.
The man just step out of the airport 1 minute.
You wanna live in a
1
cool
minute and the man.
Tell him you want to live in a cool after nice
And that
warm
me I tell
Jamaica.
him, say him you're just stepping out, but if you're living at this,
No,
when it get really
like
cold.
you don't really trouble the picnic them come and I said nothing. I see them just look alright to me.
Yeah.
Remember they love play out a door nice.
Mr. Kyrie, how's it in foreign?
You just enjoy the scenery.
Kyrie have the cold, you know.
Scenery.
Kyrie got a little bit of cold, so I'm not so 100. Like him look congested right now. You see him mouth open?
Yeah, we need to get to his medication in the bag. We
Yeah.
can start him out.
Yeah.
Same can start with his usual extra energetic self.
Rockaway Boulevard, all them place
Go
there.
past this light.
Hey, I
Then
use me
use
no
the
blow
right
come on
lane
New
to
York,
take
you
a
know.
slight right turn onto Farmers Boulevard.
Oh my god, I can't wait to pick up my Leica.
I hear you no come on New York, you know,
I
man.
want to surprise her.
Yeah, we can go to school.
Okay.
At the light, use the left lane to make a U-turn at North Boundary Road.
You know, she always a listen, so
I miss,
you can.
So Apple Car play this as a train.
I missed the turn.
Which turn them flip up on?
I have to make a U-turn, so I have to go around the loop.
Okay.
Yeah, so I have to go down, I have to
Yeah.
go so.
Yeah.
So I have to make a U-turn.
Okay. Yeah, big driver in a foreign. Watch out now.
Come on. big driver from Jamaica. Come on. Come
She did
on.
look at iron board away, man. She used to go and battle it.
You're
Over
brighty.
the canal, them something there. My uncle called her car, she have a Jamaica.
Why you have to
iron
put in that? I'm bright. My good, nice car. I wait for you, know.
I mean, I give
Start
it
get
up.
peer butterfly, you know. You know what? I never yet do without her so long. Start get peer butterfly.
Yes, guys. She's like a lifetime thing for the both of us, you know. But I always say to her, like, I don't have a memory that she wasn't in.
Oh God.
That's kind of weird, right? Kind of weird. Van Carrie.
I get carry a jacket because somehow
Cold. But I'm today, and I enjoy the cold.
Ain't not that cold today, but it's still cold for them. Cause
So it's not.
like before me live here, I couldn't understand what they mean by today is a nice day.
Like I can't understand either because this ain't nice.
No, like today, right now at 46 degrees.
Come,
not that
baby.
bad.
Really?
You work.
Yeah, guys. So we're in Walmart and we're trying to get a little jacket for Kyrie. Seem like? Trying to get a little jacket for Kyrie. We found one. Not quite sure if it's a winner yet, so.
So what you think about those up here, Kyrie, Jaden? What do you think about them here?
No.
You don't like that? They don't have no more jackets. Let me see about this rack. So come here. This is a shirt, more like a shirt.
Yeah.
I put it up back for me, Jay. Cross where?
I think there's someone on a stretch of Burlington. So I wonder if we should go in a Burlington because I don't see nothing for Jaden.
Yeah. Alright. I'm going to try. So we'll take this door for Kyrie though.
I don't know, or you want to look at
Yeah, I
Burlington?
don't mind it. It's cool, it's cool.
You can try looking for see another one.
Stop it.
Alright,
This is alright, you know.
Yeah. Alright.
Righty.
Just sick out to the flu.
And the cold actually even bad. Like my fingers are numb. Adrian probably say, "Oh my God, how can you?" Because nobody's cold, but I am literally freezing. Literally freezing.
That jacket look nice though. It's cheap. How much for it? How much for it?
$13.
$13.
Well, it is on sale actually. It's kind of wide. Sale.
Oh, you don't want me to touch it, Charlie? Okay, alright.
Alright, guys, let's go down this way.
At the airplane, girl.
Like on itchy, you know.
Me ready, man. Me ready.
With Jaden, guys.
This is Jaden coat here.
But people can find a nicer one.
So this, you know what I want this? I take this out of the card, right?
No, put it back.
You buy two of them?
Yeah, me like that.
Okay.
She never did a look on that, you know. She buy that and she no want it.
Want it, yeah.
If you buy it and me and her wear it. Yes. Anyway, come.
Alright.
I like this.
We have plenty of time for buy toys and stuff. Man.
I just want this. This
Everything?
is the only toy I want.
Well, you have one like this at home? Or it different? Or it different?
It's not a nerf. Is a nerf this
It's
too?
a nerf.
You have to hold it more times.
Exactly. Tell him. They shoot the nerf darts?
No, a different, faster, higher.
I do like this though.
That have to work.
Where go work?
Yeah.
That look for.
Like the other color.
Or even for a nice little dress out occasion. Yeah, I do like it. And it fit me though. When I stop till him come up with him father and
Jay, you know, take off. You know, take off that one.
Stand over that way, Avan. This is that not really thick, you know.
Look at you.
Wanna come out of the way. Come out of the way.
Guess in my blazer not dead for cold. I can't understand this.
Look, girl,
you wouldn't even understand.
Goodie.
I feel like
For work.
yeah, I like that. I like that. And I love that color.
And the color too.
That's
Yeah.
really nice.
You can find reasonable stuff in your stuff.
Hey, when you up and go look food, you know, I'm hungry.
Kyrie, I did.
Yeah, Jay, your jacket has a one. The Calvin Klein jacket has a one, Jaden.
What is the one?
Eh? You don't know what I mean?
No.
I would say that's a one, mean it look good.
This nice. Wow.
Yeah, so we'll be grabbing lunch now. We're in Chipotle. You know?
How are you?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Yes, fine, thank you.
What can I get for you?
Alright, so for him, the rice. Go some of the rice.
Brown rice or white rice?
Fried rice, the fried one.
Okay. Any beans?
Yes, yes.
Black beans or pinto?
Black bean.
Okay. For you? So it's 2 with brown rice?
Yeah. Bro, alright for her too.
Okay.
Yeah. This is just pepper and onions, right? Just pepper and onions. I like this. This is chicken right here?
No, this is regular chicken, and this is chicken al pastor.
And what is this?
In the middle is pork.
Oh, like pulled pork.
and beef.
Oh, okay. And this is beef here. Very spicy.
Would you like peppers and onions?
Burrito.
Yes.
What do you think about a burrito?
Yeah, if you want burrito, I'll go with it. Carrie, what do you want? What do
And
you
you want
want?
the pork and the peppers and onions?
Yeah, yeah. So how many meats you get?
Just one.
Oh.
If you want to double it, you can, but it costs extra.
How much extra for more
About
meat?
$3 or $4 extra, depending on the meat.
Okay. I like chicken as well.
Chicken?
You can put, yeah.
Carnitas and chicken. This is for the little boys. Okay. For you, what kind of meat?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
You want a burrito?
What sauce is this?
This is very hot, it's medium.
Hot and the medium?
Yeah.
The medium.
All salty.
Yeah.
Cheese.
Yes.
And what?
Yes. 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 What please?
Ethiopian or Mexican? This is frozen.
Yeah, man. You want to pile it on, you know? What is it, Jay? You want the burrito, babe?
Yeah.
Any peppers and onions?
You like it, you know, Jay? You like it. Why not try the tomato? Give him a little tomato, please. He'll like it. No? All right. Huh? Okay. Yes, thank you.
Cheese. What?
Yeah.
So what you want, Shanika?
Melon. Chicken al pastor en cuatro.
Oh, yeah, this is a really big that price.
Let me see that. Let me see that. Tabasco sauce, that pepper in a dude. That's why I take it up. You think Jalen easy? You think you're easy? Oh God. We're gonna shake it up? No, but I just mix it, man. You're gonna create a mess. So Gary eating? Mount woke up. Hello. Look at these. Look at these people. We're there in foreign, you know. Cold. Brooklyn this. You get me, I say? Yeah. To tell what you think, Jay, your first 24 hours.
You then put that thing over your head. Put that thing over
If I go like say, you be used to them thing, yeah.
And this is me from the Campbells.
Yes, the Campbell. From the Campbells.
And
Kyrie. Say hi, say hello.
And hello.
Yes.
And we're finally here. Here's that. Here's that snort
Listen, we
over
have a
there.
couple to go. We are from the tropics where it is not 44 degrees, but it's actually, 98 degrees. So yeah, let's boogie. This is much for us. I'm sorry.
So Kyrie, are you cold? How are you feeling, Kyrie? You're fine?
Here comes my mom.
This is Auntie Viv.
It's cold.
She lives in Jamaica.
And that's a pit.
And introduce yourself.
I'm Lloyd, I live in Oklahoma.
No, eh? Big army man, army captain.
Air Force, actually.
Yeah. Yeah man, wow, it's just really cold, trust me. Man, it's crazy. Brooklyn, yeah? Yeah, look at that, look at that. Yeah, right now, I want to take a few photos. You know? Yeah. Let us take the pictures. Alright, Shanika, you come take the picture before we? In our road. Yeah. Just put that in my car. Put it in the car.
Everything order family. Really not everything. Alright, come in the road.
Alright, so I'm gonna look for some relatives. But my brethren them say they're gonna come pick me up. So I now can't go with them because I'm gonna go all the way over the Bronx. And I'm gonna go back Queens side, you see it? So I'm saying, no, I'm gonna just go on and then Oran gonna come get me, you know? Yeah man. So have fun.
What am I gonna do?
Yep. What Kyrie? What you know?
Later. And then call?
Kyrie, you good?
Later, baby.
Kyrie? Alright, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Later.
Okay, go to bye.
Alright, Jay. Later, Jay, then.
Bye.
Yeah. Alright, later.
Bye, baby.
Cool.
Okay.
Bye.
Have fun. Ball I get the call.